Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at the cumulative distribution function, mean and variance of the exponential random variable. The probability density function of exponential random variable is given by fx of x equal to a times e power minus ax for x greater than or equal to 0, where a is also greater than 0 and 0 elsewhere. So the first task is to find the cumulative distribution function, that is CDF of this exponential random variable, which is given by the definition integral of minus infinity to x of f of x of u fx of u du. So this is the definition of the CDF of a continuous random variable. So now by using the definition of the given PDF, we want to find this cumulative distribution function. Therefore, fx of x is equal to, by using the definition, the integral changes from 0 to x, since the function the PDF is 0 before x equal to 0, and by using the definition we have a times e power minus a into u du. So now this integral is simple integral of an exponential function, which is equal to a times e power minus a u divided by minus a. The limits are from 0 to x, or 0 and x. So by inserting these limits or these values, we get minus e power minus a x minus 1. So this is therefore the cumulative distribution function of exponential random variable is given by 1 minus e power minus x for x greater than 0, for x greater than or equal to 0. For x less than 0, this is obviously 0. The cumulative distribution function is 0 for values of x less than 0, because the PDF itself is 0 for values of x less than 0. So next we want to find the mean of this exponential random variable, e of x, expectation of x, which is defined by minus infinity to plus infinity x into fx of x dx. By using the definition of the PDF of exponential random variable, that is this definition, we have integral 0 to infinity x times a times e power minus ax dx. So now by using integration by parts, that is there are two functions of x, so we have to use integration by parts. So we have x multiplied by a into e power minus ax divided by minus a, that is we take integral of this function. And next we have integral 0 to infinity, we take derivative of the first function, that is 1 multiplied by the integral of the second function, that is a times e power minus ax by minus a dx. And these limits here are 0 to infinity. So in mathematics, this function is by convention equal to 0, that is for value of x equal to 0, this is obviously 0. For x equal to 0, this is 0. And for x equal to infinity, this is e power minus infinity, but by convention this is usually assumed to be 0. And we have minus integral 0 to infinity, and minus of minus becomes plus e power minus ax dx, which is equal to e power minus ax divided by minus a. Limits are from 0 to infinity. So obviously at infinity this is 0. For x equal to 0, this is 1. So we have minus of 1 by minus a, that is equal to 1 by a. Therefore the mean value of exponential random variable is equal to 1 by a, that is inverse of the parameter a. Next we want to find the variance of this random variable. So variance of a continuous random variable is defined as the difference between the second moment and the square of the first moment. So we already know that e of x, or expectation of x, is 1 by a. So we want to find the second moment, that is expectation of x square, which is by definition equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x square multiplied by the PDF dx. And by using the definition of the PDF of exponential random variable, that is this one, we have 0 to infinity x square into a into e power minus ax dx. Again we have two functions of x, so we have to use integration by parts. So the first term is x square multiplied by a into integral of this function minus e power minus ax divided by minus a. Limits are from 0 to infinity minus integral 0 to infinity the derivative of this first function, that is 2x multiplied by a into e power minus ax divided by minus a dx. So this first term is obviously equal to 0 and the second term is plus 2 times. So this becomes integral 1 by a into integral 0 to infinity x times a times e power minus ax dx. So this is equal to 2 by a into, this is nothing but the expectation of x. So this is the expectation of x, which is equal to 1 by a. So therefore the second moment is equal to 2 by a square. Therefore the variance function, that is variance of this random variable, the exponential random variable, is the difference between the second moment, that is 2 by a square, minus the square of the first moment, that is 1 by a whole square, which is equal to 1 by a square. Therefore the variance of exponential random variable is equal to 1 by a square. And finally we can also verify that the total probability under exponential random variable is equal to 1. That is, you can easily verify that by inserting x equal to infinity in the CDF function. That is, at x equal to infinity, this is 1 minus e power minus infinity, which is equal to 1 minus 0, that is 1. That is, value of the CDF function at x equal to plus infinity is equal to 1 minus e power minus infinity. Since there is e power minus ax, that is a times infinity is infinity, so this is 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. Therefore the total area under the PDF of the exponential random variable is equal to 0 to infinity fx of x dx is equal to the value of the CDF function at x equal to infinity, which is equal to 1. Thanks for watching.